Hello everyone and welcome to ar.arena channel. In this video we'll speak about how we can make a curtain panel, use it in the roof of the buildings, and we can use it by twisted design. Also you can see our final result in our Instagram page ar.arena.design. And let's start now to make the design of this twisted curtain. First I need to make as a 3 points. It will be points by coordinates, and already let's copy and paste my 3 points here. It will be point A, B and C. First point it will be by minus 50 and 30. Second point it will be my original point, and 75, 30 and 0. And as we can see here we have my 3 points, and then I will make no curves by points. And in this case I will make my list. It will be A and B and C. So in this case now I make my nerve curves. Now we'll start to make points at the parameter of this curve, and also plan, so we can connect now here my parameters. In this case it will be as a from 0 to 1, and that make as a 25 points also in the parameters. No, here it will be this in the curve and this as a parameter. So in this case I have my points and the plan according to these points. Then I will start to make circle by plan and radius. So I will choose plan and radius. We can make, let's say for example as 25. Then I will make like a scale of these circles to try to make it like more oval. So if I start to scale geometry, I prefer to use scale geometry by using the plane. In this case I can use this plane. I use this geometry, and in this point, let's say from here, put it on one item. Let's increase in X a little bit, 1.3, and Y, let's say by 2. We can close this one, and as I can see here now, shape is like a little bit oval. Look nice. We can continue on this way. And then I will start to make points on parameter for each oval of that one, as the same what I did here. So and this one also from curve, and select same points at parameter, and also plan. In this case I will start this geometry, and in this case also I can say from 0 to 1, and let's make it 20. As I can see now, in this case he make it according to each point, so let's make the lacing to be cross product, and now I have 20 point for each curve that I have. So I will use first shifting, this shift. The shift here, he told me like what the list that you want to shifting and what the amount. So that's why I use the count of the listing, because in this case I need to shift one by one. So in case of I will shifting one by one regarding to 25, so I will make from 0 to 25, or to count C that I have, and then connect this one here. So he will give me here the number of shifting. So I will shift first list, I don't need to shift. Second list I will shift by 1 point, second shift 2 points, and like that. So here I will connect my amount, and from this side I will connect my list. And now we can let's watch how we can the different in that one. But in this case I need to, because he make it here by lacing auto, so I need to make by shorts, because I don't want to connect all the points regarding to this range. So in case of the lacing it will be shortest. I can now show that these 2 points is the same. So let's see the first list start from this point, the same here. But if you go to the second list and that one, and go to second list here, as I can see this list is starting from minus 55, and then the last point minus 55. But here it's take this point and shift all the list, so he start from minus 55 and then the other point minus 55, and then start to minus 41. Also the same here, if I check this list I will see the same 51, 58, but he's shifting 2 point and then 51 and 38. So in this case all the points it's shifting regarding to the number of the list for these curves. If I make now transpose, to this list, and then I will go to make my normal curve by points. As I can see now how he can make this twist points. Let's back and hide that one. So as I can see now my point is twisted, but there's a little small mistake because he didn't give me full twist. There's a problem as I can see in this point, and the problem it should be, if I back again to my first points, the problem here that when I make this list I have like 2 points as the same. He starts with the point and end with it. So in this case I think we need to remove the first point from each list. So if I back to that one and let's go to the list for modify, let's remove the first item here from this list. If I connect that one now, as I can see now there is no repeated point. And in this case, no, he here remove the first list. No, I need to make this as a level. Let's make it level 2. So yes, now because in the beginning he removed the first list, no, I need to remove the first item or first point from each list. So that's why I need to go to the level 2 to remove this point. So now as I can see in list 0, he removed this point and keep only minus 44 as the same in all. So in this case I need to connect this one here and also here. In this case, if I will back again to my shape, I can see now, yes, my shape it's go in the good way. It's all twisted and it's like looks very nice. Everything is cool, everything is connected in the right way. And now we can start to give like some thickness for these lines, and again for make, for example, our curtain panel. So let's say first I need to here, let's hide all the points. Let's say hide these guys. And let's say again we not points in the geometric curve, and let's go to plan. Let's put our curves and let's put from 0 to 1, and let's say also 20, and connect it as a cross product to take the normal regarding to the new curve now. And then it's very easy if I can say, like, let's say I will make a rectangle, and for rectangle I need to be by plan. So I have my plan here, and let's say 2 by 4. And then from this one, if I make loft, and let's say and give him like loading. Okay, cool. So in this way now, as we can see how we can make the shape in that way. Also we can remove that one, and let's try to make it as a loft to be solid. As you can see now, it looks cool. The point now that we need to remove the half of this curves in case of I need to make like this is my ground and this is my plan, and I need to show this only the half part as a ceiling. I don't want to show all these circular curves. So in this case we can easily first make as a intersect or split surface. So let's first try to make rectangular. The rectangular also, it will be in the normal way, and I will use the original plan 0, 0, 0, and let's make width, let's say 150. And I think here don't make it as automatic, so normal, let's say plan. No, not a vector, I need as a plan, so try back for geometry, curves, or plan. by the original. Okay, cool. Need it a little bit bigger, so let's make this 200 to make sure that I cover all the shape inside my rectangle. And then I will make as extrude, let's say I need it by solid. So okay, this is my curve and this is the distance, and he will show it as a solid. So in this case I will make distance, let's say minus 100, and this is my rectangular, and the point of that one I need to make my extrude by minus to show it in down, and in this case I can see my shape in that way. Let's say this is as a group, and this my subtract element, because I will use it also on another type. And then I need to subtract this one from that one. So if I go here to solid, and let's say for geometry, or maybe a difference here, and difference, bullet difference between solid is another, we can try this one and see how this result it will be. Or in geometry also I can find same result. Let's go to geometry, okay, subtract, maybe it can show for me this one, subtract, this is from surface, no, this is not, okay, I don't. Okay, we can try this one first by the solid different, and let's take our result here as a solid to connect it with that one. In this case, if I hide that one and I hide my not freeze as a not preview, yeah, as I can see now, he can give me only the half regarding to the difference between these two solids. Also, I can hide all these guys, I don't want to see them. So as I can see now, he can give me the shape like that. Pretty cool. Also, if I need to make, for example, as a glass between all these panels, I can back again to my original geometry circles, that one, and in this case I need to make also, let's say here, loft, and if I would make my cross section from the original geometry, I can see now he can make it by that, but the point also I need to use the same what I did before, but to make sure in this case it will not be between solid and solid, it will be between surface and solid, so this order it cannot be used. So if I go to surface, and in this case, let's say not in the, well, I think subtract also, from here between surface, but also you need here both surface and any other item. We can use this one also, and we can use the from geometry I can use here split, so we can use this both. We will try now and see how it can looks like. So if I make that one first, where's my surface? It will be in this one, and this one it will be my cutting wave. So in this case he show me one surface. If I close that one, I can see here clearly he showed to me the other surface. Very nice. So I have now my last result and the other result for the curtain panel. And it's very easy. If I need to show them as a color, I can from geometry preview here show that one with, let's say, white color, and copy from that one with blue color. And now, as I can see, my final result goes into the shape. If you want also to see the full result regarding to this project, you can follow us in our Instagram page, ar.arena design. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.